Independence Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Sujit. Today I am going to speak a few lines on Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, we are celebrating 77th Independence Day of our country. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year with great joy. Because on 15th August 1947 we got independence from British rules. Many heroes sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors, we are living peaceful life. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. We should feel proud to be an Indian. So, on this occasion, let us all pledge to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos.